Hi guys on YouTube, Mikey's just going to put the Bosch Excell dishwasher on. He's putting the tablet in. It's a finish all-in-one dishwasher tab. There. And you just shut the lid. Now just turn it on at the on button, which is at the far end. That one, turn it on. Now select intensive, which is the top button. That you put auto express. You need to put this one, the square button. Can you see the square button?
Which one?
That one there, that one. Then select express wash where you had it, where you got the button wrong. That one. That's it, and it's 1 out of 38. And then just press the start button.
That one.
Yep. And it's away.
Cool.
Super quiet.
Yeah, what is that sound?
What was that sound? That's the pump draining the leftover water.
Oh, it's quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I guess it's not set up now, is it?
But for some reason it's got an odd thing. Listen carefully. You get a... See, it just fills up a little bit, then it stops, and then...
Yeah.
Now it's starting again.
Oh, okay.
It's quite odd.
Yeah, it is a bit, but... Oh well.
It says it's got no rinse aid in it.
Oh, then we'll have to top it up after, I guess.
We've got some rinse aid in the cupboard, but we can top it up later.
Yeah. It's just load the rinse aid to it, haven't
No, it just says no rinse aid. It's got the red light, no rinse aid.
Oh, that's a nuisance. So
Well, we've got some rinse aid in the cupboard.
Oh, that's right, better put some in the bit then, won't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we begin. See, it's starting.
Very quiet, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a very quiet dishwasher, I must say.
Mm.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Super quiet.
Very good.